Okay, I've been asked to create a quick video on how to use WebEx from the student perspective. And so what I've done is I've gone and invited myself to a meeting. I have two computers, a desktop and a laptop, and I'm speaking to you right now from the laptop. So when getting invited to a meeting and you click on the link that you were sent in your email, you'll get to an interface that looks something like this. Before I just connect the audio and the video, I do want to point out that there are some options. You can connect from another device like a phone or something like that, but be careful to make sure you're calling in from a 1-800 number, otherwise you'll be charged a long distance, and you don't want that. You can have a variety of microphone options. I'm using my Yeti. We'll see how that works. Or otherwise it would be the internal speakers. And then same thing goes for the microphone and then the camera option. So if you've got a camera, you'll be directed to use your regular camera unless you've got another external camera. So I click the Connect Audio and Video button here, and I'll be directed right into my own meeting. Now this picture-in-picture, the small one you see here, is me talking on my laptop. The one you see here, the big one, is what the instructor, I guess, would look like, or whoever is got the big picture at the time in WebEx. So I just want to run you through a few of the features. I can mute myself using this button down at the bottom. There is a variety of toggle controls. So I can mute myself on or off. I can turn my camera on or off. So if I turn the camera off, I can stop my video, and there I've stopped, but I can turn it back on, start my video, and I show up again. I can share my screen. So let's say I was needing to be a presenter inside the class as a student. Share the screen, and in this case I could choose a PowerPoint if I had a PowerPoint already loaded up. I've got a Word document, so I can share my Word document. And once I'm doing that, you'll see that everyone will be able to see my Word document. And I want to point out to you that there is an interface at the top. If I hover over this orange bar, it brings down an interface where I can do a variety of things, such as stop sharing or pause. I can assign roles to other people if I want. Perhaps I'm working in a group. I can even mute myself. I guess I could record this if I was a student, open up the chat feature, but I want to show you this annotate feature the most. So this annotate button, if I click on that, it brings up another menu on the side here so that I can do a variety of things. I can click this pencil to do some free-form writing. Let's say I want to circle something or underline something. Or I could click on this text option. So the text will allow me to write on the screen so people can see it. I could even draw straight lines by clicking on this line feature. I could draw a variety of lines if I wanted to do that. Clicking on erase, I can erase a variety of things if I want them off the screen. To stop sharing, I just click on, I hover again over the top, and I click stop sharing. So now I've gone through and shown you a few of these buttons. Some of the more important ones would be the participants button. So I'm going to just open that back up again. If I click participants, it'll allow me to show or see whoever else is in here. My other classmates and the instructor. If I click on the chat button, that opens the dialog at the bottom. I can chat to individuals, or I can chat to everyone in the group, typing hello, or what was that last item, and we can have a side discussion going on. If I run into audio or visual problems, I could click on the More Options button here and check out my audio connection. So my mic and my system are there. And I can then Let's say I want to leave the meeting, meeting's over, I just click the big red X and I click end meeting and we're done. So I hope that helps walk you through some of the user side of WebEx.